What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Check it, we are in Jupiter, Florida today. We're at the boat rentals ramp, and we are here for the 2021 Florida Ski Riders Peanut Island Excursion, guys. So we're headed down to West Palm. Well, is it Palm? Yeah, Palm Beach County. We're in Palm Beach County. We're headed down to West Palm to where Peanut Island is. We're gonna be headed out the ocean and then heading straight down. It's like a 15-minute ride. I mean, 15-mile ride. By all means, it's not gonna be 15 minutes. But you see everybody's getting loaded up. We are ready to get out of here. It's gonna be an awesome day. It's beautiful outside, ain't it, honey?
It's so nice.
So guys, we're getting out of here, so let's go. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, you better subscribe, hit that notification button, and don't forget to like the video. Guys, we made it to Peanut Island, safe and sound. We're gonna crowd this sandbar up. Woo! It's going down. Pull up to the sandbar here, guys. All the skis. Doing? That's Peanut Island right there. What's up, buddy?
What's up, pal?
The man is protecting us, guys.
That's it.
Awesome. Stop getting us up. Huh? Who? Hell no. Get on my back. This guy's crazy. Biggie.
Right.
What's up?
Hey,
Doing well.
How you doing, boss? Long time no see.
What's up?
What's up, brother?
You made it.
Of course I'll make it. What up, bro?
About time, man, about time.
Hey, I come in style. Late, but style.
I'm climbing up the ladder. There you go.
You gonna tight walk it? You gonna tight rope it?
There you go.
We got hookahs. This guy with the hookah. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Wait.
Do it. Swan dive. Swan dive.
Do it.
Swan dive.
Oh, he's down. That was not the. That's what I didn't want to happen right there. I didn't want that to happen. All right, your turn.
No, that's not what we were planning on doing.
No, you're gonna go and run back.
No, you got to swan dive. Just jump and leap.
No.
And just land.
No. You're smooth on your feet, and we all know that. So go ahead.
Oh, no. Donuts.
Whenever y'all ready.
June Squad, before we go any further, big shout out goes to Gene for taking care of the Florida ski riders at Peanut Island with a pontoon boat with food. I gotta say thank you to this man because he stopped us from starving that day. Also, guys, he also owns a jet ski rental company. It's called Sa Passe Jet Ski Rental. Go check him out on Facebook, or you can go to his .com. But please go show him some love. And this is not sponsored. He doesn't know I'm doing this. I just wanted to show some love for what he did for us. Thank you, my homie. I appreciate everything you did for us. Go check out Gene. Now back to the video. Let's go. We are out of here, people. We out. We gone. We're not leaving Peanut Island. We're headed back to the ramp. Awesome time. Beautiful area. And you get to step foot on Peanut Island. As you can see, that's Peanut Island right there. Everybody's on it. We decided not to go on there because we were having too much fun on the sandbar. But we're headed to the ramp now, guys. Ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Guys, we are ending the video right here. We just got back to Jupiter, and let me tell you what an amazing ride it was, man. I haven't done this ride in like 2 years, and it never ceases to amaze me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Peanut Island was gorgeous. We had such a blast over there, guys. Next month we're doing the Dunedin ride. Make sure you come check that out. And also to my Puerto Ricans, to my Boricuas, I will be in Puerto Rico June 1st, and we're doing a big ride in Puerto Rico, so make sure you look out for that. And guys, don't forget, June Squad t-shirts are on sale. Descriptions are going to, the description is going to be below. And don't forget to make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. And for a lot of you people that think that this is like so crazy that we bring so many people out here and that you think that we're unsafe, we are not. We do this 100% with a team. We make sure that everybody gets back to the boat ramp safely. That's one of our biggest things. We never leave anybody behind, and we make sure that everybody has a great time. So guys, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything you guys do. But June Squad, I'm out.
my balls.